Welcome back mga kabarangay sa ating PSTV Plus podcast channel sa YouTube. Ako po inyong kaibigan sa ipapawilan yung Direk Rene, Kuya Rene. Kung hindi pa po kayo nag-like, share, and subscribe, paki-share po, paki-like, paki-subscribe na rin po at comment na rin sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Pasensya na po kayo kasi tayo, medyo low-tech. Nagdi-defocus pag ako nagsasalita. Okay lang yun kasi pangit naman ako. Hindi kailangan na. Pero pasensya na po. Sa gabing ito, dito po sa ating PSTV Plus, ating makakapanayan po. Dati ko na po siyang na-interview couple of times already. At minsan nakakasama ko itong batang ito. Napakasipag, no? Nag-aaral at tumutulong sa kanyang nanay, sa kanyang mami na si Julene, pag sila po ay sumasali sa mga food festivals, so yung mga markets, yung mga ganon, ito pong ating mga kapanayam, nagsiset up po siya, tumutulong siya doon. At pag nag-set up na, nagtitinda na rin. Masipag nga talaga itong batang ito. At, pero iba po ating pag-uusapan ngayon. At hindi yung po tungkol sa pagnenegosyo, kundi yung pagpapanalo po. Dahil siya po ang Miss Face of Beauty International New Zealand 2026, si Celine Martin. Hi Celine, kumusta?
Hi po, I'm doing good naman po. Kayo po?
Okay naman ako, Celine, and thank you so much and welcome sa ating podcast. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for winning Miss Face of Beauty International New Zealand 2026. Anong pakiramdam? How do you feel about it, Celine?
Well, sometimes I kind of forget that I've actually won the main title of Face of Beauty International New Zealand 2026, but I guess like it's kind of hard po to understand that I've actually won the crown, and it has been a whirlwind of emotions for me. But I'm really, really glad for this honor, and I'm really excited for the upcoming events and new experiences that I would be experiencing. Yeah.
Ako rin, I'm so happy for you because I know your struggles and everything that you've done, and on top of your studies, you're a psychology. You're studying psychology. Am I correct, Celine?
Yes, po, yes.
Okay, and then any major clinical ano ba yung mga major ng psychology? Meron ba or general yung psychology mo?
With the bachelor's majoring in psychology, we don't have any specialization yet. That is more when it comes to grad school. So at the moment, it's kind of broad, yeah.
Okay.
But we do touch on those different kinds of fields, like mental health, forensic, and developmental psychology.
Okay.
Yes.
Alin dyan, which part are you more inclined to? Developmental? Anong psychology? Medyo partial ka, parang ganon.
At the moment, for developmental psychology, because I really want to work with children. Something field that I'm interested more compared to other fields. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. Kailangan natin yung mga ganyan, no? Para to guide and magabayan yung mga... Just to put into context, Celine, taga saan yung family mo sa Pilipinas?
So my mom is Panggalatok po. She is from
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. And then my dad is from Zamboanga. But I was born in San Pedro, Laguna, and I've been there for I think in Laguna 11 years of my life, because we've also moved from San Pedro and then to Binyan and then Santa Rosa and kind of everywhere in Laguna.
Okay.
Yes.
And then from Laguna, lumipad na kayo ng New Zealand.
Yes po, yes.
So you studied high school dito, Celine?
I actually started year 8 intermediate back in Otahu
Oh,
intermediate.
okay.
Yes
Oh,
po.
wow. Tapos
And I
saan ka
believe
nag-high
you
school?
teach in Otahu College po ba?
Oo,
Before?
I teach at the Otahuhu College. So doon ka ba nag-high school?
No po kasi nag-move po kami sa West Auckland. So,
Ah,
my for year 9, I studied at Auckland Girls Grammar School, and then I moved to Avondale College and then finished my high school there po.
sa
Mm.
Avondale. Oo.
Mhm.
Maraming Pilipino doon, sa
Yes
Avondale.
po, marami.
Oo.
Yeah, definitely po marami.
So, ayan, it's a getting to know Celine kasi nga yung siya yung bagong Miss Face of Beauty. Kasi itong Miss Face of Beauty parang isa sa mga bagong pageant ito Celine. Kasi yung iba kasi Miss New Zealand, Miss ganyan-ganyan, Miss Auckland.
Actually, not a lot of people know, but Face of Beauty International has been around for quite a while since I
Oh,
think since the pandemic, we've just been able to get back to starting Face of Beauty International in New Zealand again.
oh,
Yes.
okay. Oo,
Mm.
oo. So, you were saying off cam na yung reigning yung Miss Face of Beauty International New Zealand 2025 ay this year pa lang siya sa November niya i-defend.
Europe.
I mean, we'll go to the world stage, no? Tama
Yes,
ba
po.
ako?
Correct. Yeah, Mercedes Bud. Yes.
Okay, so saan siya pupunta si Mercedes?
She's going to Taiwan to represent New Zealand on, I believe, November. So
Okay.
very exciting. Yeah.
Mm. Pero yung ikaw, next year ka, wala pang place or kung saan.
No, it's not confirmed yet po.
Mhm.
Mm.
So, eto ngayon, si Mercedes is he also based in Auckland?
I'm actually not quite sure po because I only actually got to meet her back during the grand final.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Saan ginawa yung grand finals, Celine?
The grand final took place on Sky City, Hamilton. Just
Oh,
on
okay. So you
30th
traveled
of
all the way to
August.
Hamilton.
Yes po.
Oh.
I actually stayed the
Oh.
night before. So
Uh-huh.
I can get a good rest
Mm-mm.
before the
I was originally sa
Oh,
taga Hamilton kami, so
I
stayed there
really po.
for 8 years. And actually, last weekend, nandun ako sa Hamilton, no? Sayang,
Oh,
sana pala yung time na yung grand
oh,
coronation.
yes po. Were you
Oo.
at the Halo Halo festival?
No, I went for another last weekend, Saturday.
Last weekend, yes po.
Oh, ito lang weekend. Meron kasing concert for Mama Mary na ginawa po sa St. Columba's Parish Church. So, nanood ako. And then, the following day, met up with friends, yung mga ganon. And then, yeah. Now, nakita ko yung mga video, no? Parang several categories yun, di ba? Yung mga suot mo, parang 5
Yes.
beses ka yata
Yes po.
nagpalit.
Really, yeah.
Kwento ka nga, ano-ano ba yung mga yun?
It was a really full on pageant competition during that day. So we first had the opening number, and then after that we had the national costume, and then next one was swimsuit, and then cocktail, and then the evening gown. Hopefully I didn't miss any of them, but yeah, I think those are all the categories. But we also had the interview, which happened before the grand final started, so it was a closed door interview. So that also was included both sa scoring sheet. Yeah.
So may talent ba? May talent portion, no? You're saying?
We didn't have the talent portion, but
Okay.
definitely sa international stage, we do have that talent portion for Face of Beauty.
Mm,
Yeah.
mhm,
Mhm.
So that's something that you should prepare siguro, no? Para
Yes
ano,
po. And it's
ah,
really a fun
para
story.
to represent. Oo nga, oo. So,
Yeah.
yung mga ano, yung mga damit, lalo na yung cocktail, tsaka yung evening gown ba tawag nun? Yung
Yes.
pinaka-last, no?
Mm.
Mahaba yung trail mo, ha? Yung parang, ano, yung nakaka... Ah, sino gumawa nun? Sino yung nag-design?
I actually got it in the Philippines.
Oh.
I'm not quite sure who the specific designer was, but I
Mhm.
got it from Sang Shop, situated in Angeles, Pampanga.
Mm,
And then for
mhm.
my other wardrobes, it was made for my national costume. It was made by a Filipino designer as well.
Mm,
And
mhm.
because for the national costume, we were asked to represent our cultural heritage. And
Mhm.
of course, I wanted to pay homage to the Philippines, which the the country that I was born in. So
Mm.
yes, so I had my national costume made by a Filipino craftsman in the Philippines.
Mm. Mhm. Sino yung designer mo ng ano, Filipino costume?
Um, I don't remember his name on the top of my head,
Mhm.
unfortunately. Maybe
That's all
later
right.
on I could send you
Oo.
the name.
Oo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
that's
it has
fine.
so many categories and then my memory gets a bit fuzzy remembering all the designers, but I'm really grateful, of course.
Oo. Kasi
Okay.
if memory serves me right, yung national costume mo may pagka-warrior ka doon, 'di ba? Parang
Yes, yes po.
parang meron kang para kang ano yung ano ba 'yun? Yung parang yung Encantadia, parang gano'n yung dating eh, 'di ba?
Apo, yeah. That was really enjoying for me po kasi the last time I did a national costume, it was a Filipiniana, which is, very different to a warrior, like a
Mm.
female warrior costume. So I really had fun with that category. Well, it was inspired by the agriculture of the Philippines, as well as the
Mhm.
strength and bravery of warriors or mandirigma in Philippines. So
Mhm.
I just very happy to combine those two aspects and symbolism to the national costume. Yeah, it
Mhm.
was it was really enjoying to perform with that costume.
What were the other ano, parang sa national costume, ano-anong ibang mga countries na na-represent dun sa ano, sa pageant?
Um, my closest friend from the pageant, which was um from Miss Auckland. So we did Miss Auckland together. So her name is Anna Parama. She did based on a Maori mythology inspired
Okay. Mhm.
by the sea.
Mhm.
Some of the contestants did New Zealand itself. Some of them did UK,
Mhm.
India. So quite a lot of cultures. So it was a very diverse performance by everyone. It was, yeah,
Okay.
it was
Mhm.
really good to see all those. Yeah.
So, aside from the national costume, you had to perform something about related to the costume, to the culture, ganun ba yun, Celine? So what did you do?
Well, well, it really depends on the contestant. But for me, I just really embodied the how a warrior would look, but still
Mm.
looking, like demure and confident as a pageant queen. So
Mhm.
with like my high heels, that was around, I think, 5 inches, wearing my 5 inches, but
Ha?
still, I'm on
Ano?
dirigma. Yeah, it was actually funny because my mom was telling me, Fona, do you still have to wear your heels because you're a mandirigma, like you're a warrior. Why do you have to wear those heels? And then I told her, but that I just wanted to, still fuse in the pageantry side, and also,
Mhm.
because it's definitely not like easy to wear those heels and then wearing those like heavy costumes. So really, in a way, it does tell the story of a warrior that is resilient
Yeah.
despite, the
Mhm.
heavy costume, being able
Mhm.
to do all those poses. Yeah, so
Mm.
Yeah.
Well done. Well done, Celine. Well done.
You.
Now, in any pageantry, there is always an advocacy. So this
Mm.
in Miss Face of Beauty International, meron din advocacy. So what is your advocacy?
Oh yes po. Actually, Face of Beauty International New Zealand it's a charity driven
Mm-hmm.
pageant. For me, I fundraised for animal welfare. I fundraised
Mm-hmm.
for this um, animal organization called Helping You Help Animals, which stands HUHA NZ. And I also fundraise half of the fundraising that I have made during my charity garden lunch was given to I Am Me, which is a
Mm-hmm.
charity fund organized by Face of Beauty International themselves. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, for me, I I used my platform to speak upon animal welfare, mental health, and also the environment. So those were
Mm-hmm.
my three advocacies that I really focused on during
Mm-hmm.
that time. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so I was really happy to fundraise for those causes, and even before before joining Face of Beauty International New Zealand, I have been an advocate for mental health and also
Mm-hmm.
fundraising for other organizations. Yeah, so
Well done. Very
really
good.
happy.
Very good. At
Mm.
itong huha. Gusto ko yung huha eh. Helping
Mm.
you help animals. Yun ba yun?
Yes, it's a really great name po. Mm.
Helping you help animals.
Mm.
Meron ka bang pet? Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, well, I have two cats actually.
Kaya
Mm.
talagang ano ka sa mga sa pets, ano? What are
Mm.
the names of your cats? Anong pangalan ng mga pusa mo?
Um, I have two cats. The eldest one is 4 years old, and
Mm-hmm.
then the other one's 3 years old. Oh, also 4 years old. Sorry. Yeah.
Mm.
So their name is Molly, and then the other one's Hyro.
Molly and Hyro.
Molly and Hyro. Yeah. The
Kasi I
reason why we
also,
called
hmm,
Molly.
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, tinawag po naming Molly yung isa kong cat, my first cat, because she has like a beauty spot here, like a
Ang
dot,
mole.
so like a
Hmm.
mole. Yeah.
Okay.
So we didn't just call her Molly.
Yung
Mm.
si Hyro, ba't siya Hyro?
Because parang ano po siya eh, he has patches of black and white, so parang sabi ko, "Oh,
Ah,
he kind of looks like an Oreo
an
biscuit, pero
Oreo.
parang ang common na nung Oreo, so we
Oo.
thought Hyro na lang yung biscuit sa Pilipinas na
Ay,
biscuit na
oo
parang
nga.
Oreo. Yeah.
Oo.
We're like
Yung
Hyro
nasa
na lang.
lata.
Ah, yes
Yung
po.
nasa latang biskwito, Hyro. Okay. Kasi we also have two cats, si Chelsea tsaka si Ollie,
Oh,
no?
oh, cute
Pero ako,
na.
I'm more of a dog person eh. Kaya lang,
Mhm.
hindi, wala kaming dogs, kundi cats. Yung,
Mm.
buti si Molly, hindi si Molina, kundi, ano yun, kamag-anak ko.
Opo. Ano niyo po pala, relative niyo from before.
Now, Celine, so next year pa yung ano, yung going international, ano. But ano yung mga activities that you'll be doing between now and next year?
Well, of course, I still would like to continue my fundraising efforts for the organization that I have supported before with
Mm-hmm.
animal welfare and mental health. I'm also wanting to be more involved when it comes to helping fellow pageant queens with their preparations, even with our the previous contestants that I did the
Mm-hmm.
pageant with. I wanted to be more hands on with them when it comes to preparing for their own international competition because
Mm-hmm.
some of them are actually supposed to compete this upcoming months, November and September, and it's quite soon. So
Mm-hmm.
wanted to use my time since I still have 1 year left to represent internationally. I want to use that time to help them out and also, like encourage other young women to maybe join a pageant one day, and yeah, and then meet their dreams like me.
Mhm.
Like when
Mm.
I started pageantry, I never expected for me to grow this much, and I want to inspire those young women to do the same.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well done. Very good. I remember our first podcast.
Oh
Ikaw
yes.
tsaka si Rovelyn yata, no? From Palmerston North,
Mhm.
no?
Yes,
At
my first pageant.
talagang
Mhm.
neneng-nene pa si Celine nun eh. Pero I think you were only
Baby
16.
Celine.
Was it
I
16 or
think
17?
17, 18,
17.
around that
Oo,
age.
parang ganun. Oo. Oo.
Oh.
And then
Mm.
now you are representing New Zealand as a Miss Face of
Mhm.
Beauty International. Ano ang iyong what is your takeaway from this pageant? Kasi yung ibang pageant, wag mo na isipin. Ito lang. Etong Miss Face of Beauty International. What is your takeaway from this?
Marami po, pero I think the main one, because actually this year, I told everyone, my family, myself, that I will take a break from pageantry and I will just focus on my studies first. Like, graduate na muna ako and then I will come back to pageantry. But
Mhm.
then when I spoke to the directors of Face of Beauty in International New Zealand, I felt like something just clicked, and I had a decision that was so easily made na, okay, I will join without even any hesitations. And I
Mm.
think that is like, in life you get those decisions that parang ang dali gawin, and maybe the reason is because you're destined to make that decision and to go on that path. So yeah, so I guess the main takeaway would be just forgetting all those hesitations, those fears, and just go for something that you really want to do, and that speaks to your heart.
Mhm.
Yes. And I'm
Well
really glad
done.
that I did decide to join
Yeah,
because
me too, no? Ako rin, no? Although hindi ako in your fundraising, di ako nakakapunta kasi
that's
alam
so
mo na
sweet.
yung Kuya Rene mo, matanda na. So, hindi. Pero I'm always praying and always supportive of everything that you're
Thank you
doing.
so much po.
And so, how long do you still have to do your psychology degree? Matagal pa ba or malapit na?
I'm about to graduate at the end
No.
of next year, so I still have 1 year left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not too long to go.
Mm.
Pwede naman yan sabay, no? While you're
Yes po,
doing
yeah.
all of these things and helping
Mhm.
your mom also with her business.
Yes.
Uh, yun ang ano ko dun eh, yung parang nakikita ko si Celine, beauty titleist yan, pero makikita mo yung nagbubuhat ng mga kung ano, kaldero, yung mga pagkain, kasi yung, di ba, yung lalo na pag may mga events, di ba? And also you have your own, your own restaurant already, no? So I suppose busy kayo diyan, no? Hindi pa ako
Yes
nakabisita
po.
kasi, but
Mhm.
one of these days.
Opo. Mhm.
So all the best, Celine, no? I will keep in touch with you from time to
Thank
time.
you po.
Usap tayo ulit, magkwentuhan tayo. And so
Opo.
ngayon kilala ka na ng mga kababayan natin na mga
Mhm.
Filipino Kiwis at iba pang mga uh, kasama natin dito sa Aotearoa, New Zealand, and we're very proud that you are representing us in the Miss Face of Beauty International in 2026 next year. So good luck, and all the
Thank you
best.
so
Ha?
much po. Thank you po.
Thank you. And also, I'd like to, papasalamat ako sa mga tagapanood, tagapakinig. Pinayagan niyo kami ni Celine pumasok sa inyong mga tahanan, sa inyong mga puso sa mga panahon na ito para sa isang edisyon na naman ng ating PSTV Plus podcast dito po sa YouTube. No? Like, share, and subscribe na po kayo sa PSTV Plus. Maraming salamat, Celine. Sa ngalan po ni Celine at ng ating mga kabarangay, nagpapasalamat po ako. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good night and God bless.
Bye.